This is the enigma.
What linguistics primarily was considered a form of human communication. What Google has done.
Any reference point that stabilizes a physiological, psychological, or emotional state and trigger.
Inherited in the family or environmental factors in terms of substance abuse, a trauma, post-traumatic stress syndrome or disorder.
Which postulates that the universe is synonymous with an external divine intervention.
My interest more here is my infatuation for, because I'm high functioning autism.
That has no intrinsic meaning.
Polarity. So I was studying tonality in linguistics.
Fruit, insignificant to significant.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.